The Buick Encore GX returns with minimal changes, introducing a new brilliant red exterior color and replacing the standard spare tire with a tire inflator kit. This premium subcompact SUV offers a quiet cabin, advanced technology, and a choice between two turbocharged 3-cylinder engines. So, without further ado, here are 10 things you need to know about the 2026 Buick Encore GX. The Encore GX offers two turbocharged 3-cylinder engine options. The base 1.2-liter engine delivers 137 horsepower and is paired with a continuously variable transmission, making it suitable for daily driving and fuel efficiency. For those wanting more power, the 1.3-liter engine bumps output to 155 horsepower. It provides a noticeable boost in performance and is available with all-wheel drive. When equipped with all-wheel drive, the 1.3-liter engine comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission for smoother, more responsive shifts. This setup makes it a better choice for drivers who need extra traction or plan to drive in varying conditions. Ironically, the Encore GX's larger engine has a better fuel economy. The turbocharged 1.3-liter 3-cylinder, when paired with front-wheel drive and a CVT, tops out at an EPA-rated 31 miles per gallon on the highway. In contrast, the smaller 1.2-liter engine manages just 30 miles per gallon despite offering less power. For those who need all-wheel drive, the 1.3-liter with the 9-speed automatic still delivers a solid 29 miles per gallon highway. It's an unusual case where the bigger engine is not only stronger but also more efficient. For buyers who want both performance and fuel savings, the 1.3-liter stands out as the most compelling choice across the lineup. The Encore GX is available in 3 trims: Preferred, Sport Touring, and Avenir. The base Preferred trim includes essential features like an 11-inch touchscreen and wireless smartphone compatibility. Moving up, the Sport Touring adds a sportier look with unique exterior accents and larger wheels. At the top, the Avenir trim brings a more upscale feel with leather-trimmed seats, a power liftgate, and exclusive interior touches. It's the most refined version of the Encore GX, aimed at buyers who want premium features without stepping into a luxury brand. Each trim offers a solid mix of comfort, tech, and style to fit different budgets and preferences. The Encore GX features a standard 11-inch touchscreen infotainment system with a clean, modern interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come built in, allowing easy smartphone integration without cords. The screen is responsive and well-placed, making it easy to view navigation, manage audio, or check messages without distraction. Menus are straightforward, and voice commands help keep hands on the wheel. Streaming music, taking calls, and following directions all feel smooth and intuitive. This system adds real value to the vehicle, giving it a tech-savvy edge that stands out in the subcompact SUV class. It's user-friendly, functional, and ready for daily driving. The Encore GX comes well-equipped with standard safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and forward collision alert. These systems help drivers stay aware of their surroundings and avoid potential accidents. As you move up the trim levels, additional safety tech becomes available. Higher trims offer adaptive cruise control, which maintains a set distance from the vehicle ahead, and a 360-degree camera system that provides a bird's-eye view for easier parking and maneuvering. Together, these features enhance driver confidence and improve overall road safety. Buick's focus on standard and available safety tech makes the vehicle a solid choice for drivers who prioritize peace of mind. The Encore GX makes the most of its compact footprint with a surprisingly roomy interior. Behind the rear seats, it offers 23.5 cubic feet of cargo space, enough for groceries, gym bags, or weekend luggage. Fold the rear seats flat, and that space expands to 50.2 cubic feet, giving you plenty of room for larger items like suitcases, gear, or even small furniture. The thoughtfully designed cabin has flexible storage options and a flat-load floor that makes packing easier. For drivers who want a small SUV that doesn't sacrifice utility, the car delivers solid interior versatility without feeling cramped or limited. The Encore GX offers a comfortable and composed ride, ideal for daily commutes and longer drives. Its suspension effectively smooths out rough roads, and the handling feels responsive, making it easy to steer through tight spaces or winding roads. The overall driving experience is quiet and relaxed, aligning with Buick's focus on comfort. However, some reviews mention that the base 1.2-liter engine can feel underpowered, especially during quick acceleration or highway merging. For drivers who want more responsiveness, the optional 1.3-liter engine is the better choice. The Encore GX presents a refined exterior that harmoniously blends modern aesthetics with practical design elements. Its front fascia features a wide grille flanked by sharp daytime running lights and recessed square headlights, creating a bold and contemporary look. The side profile is accentuated by prominent body lines, a gracefully sloping roofline, and black body cladding, lending the SUV a dynamic and sporty appearance. At the rear, the design is clean and cohesive, featuring wraparound taillights and a robust bumper that houses hidden exhaust outlets, maintaining a sleek finish. For 2026, Buick introduces a new brilliant red exterior color, replacing the previous Cinnabar Metallic, offering buyers fresh customization options. The Encore GX comes with a comprehensive warranty package that aligns with industry standards. It includes a 3-year or 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, covering major components like the engine and transmission. Additionally, Buick provides corrosion protection for 6 years or 100,000 miles, safeguarding against rust-through issues. Owners also receive complimentary maintenance for the first scheduled service, enhancing the ownership experience. For extended coverage, Buick offers optional plans such as the Platinum Protection Plan, which can extend coverage up to 8 years or 100,000 miles, encompassing over 1,500 components. The Encore GX starts at around $27,000 for the base preferred trim, offering solid value with standard features like a turbocharged engine, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and advanced driver assistance tech. The mid-range Select trim, priced near $29,000, adds heated front seats and more comfort options. At the top, the Avenir model begins at approximately $32,000, featuring premium materials, upgraded infotainment, and a more refined interior. All-wheel drive is available for an additional $1,500. With its updated styling, user-friendly tech, and competitive pricing, the vehicle aims to stand out in the compact SUV market without breaking the bank.